Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Linda Blinks and Things. In this video here, I will be showing you guys how I am going to be styling my countertop section over here, little breakfast station. I don't drink coffee, so I will be showing you with some tea and some breakfast snacks how I'm going to actually decorate it for Halloween. I'm using the color pink this year, and these are some of the items that I'm using. I have this little mug here. I have this one here. This is from Burlington. This is from Dollar Tree. This soap pump here is from Burlington. TJ Maxx, pretty. This is from Burlington this year. This is from Dollar Tree. I just blinged it out. This is from Amazon here. These are straw toppers here that I got from Target in the dollar section. These bats, if they stay up, I put them here on the side of my back of my wall. If they stay up, I got these from Marshall's. I liked it because actually it has the glitter on the bats there. This is a salt and pepper shaker. I'm using this multiple times here in my home because it comes in a set of 2, so I bought 2 packs. I kind of have 4. I'll just spread them out. This is from, you know, the viral Bath and Body Works. This is from Burlington as well. These are straws, glass straws, Target, Marshalls. Aren't these so pretty? And these are from Marshalls in the summertime. I'm just going to use the pink ones though. These marshmallows I'm going to be using as well. These are some just tea bags from the regular local supermarket, from breakfast stations. A little bit of hot cocoa. I need to re-up on that. Some breakfast bars as well. These are from the Dollar Tree. This is from Hobby Lobby, which is really pretty. If you can see it there, it's really pretty. These are from Burlington, and these are the last that I have left, so I'll be using these up, which is this disposable cup here with the sleeve there. I thought it was pretty. So stay tuned. This is coming up right away, and if you like what you see, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Comment down below, of course, and on my channel you will see decor, decorating ideas and inspiration for you guys. Also, I will be doing a lot of shopping, some DIYs, lots of shorts I will be posting up until I get my camera to give you guys a full video. And just great videos and great content here. So stay tuned because we're going to get right into decorating. You see what I mean? This, you see, they're falling. And another one falling. It's like flies. Anyway, stay tuned, you guys. I'm going to be getting right into this Decorate With Me for Halloween Countertop 2025.